Hi everyone, this is Whitney with Mennonite Your Way. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use our online platform and some of the differences between our online platform and our printed directory. So, Mennonite Your Way is composed of two parts: the printed directory, where you get a book that has our host contact information listed, and the online platform, which shows both our printed directory host and our online host that have chosen to be listed or have a listing online. So when you go to MennoniteYourWay.com, at first you'll see the tabs across the top, the different types of listings that we have, information and orders for the printed directory, the about page, and then your, if you have an online account, it'll show a drop-down menu. So if you're planning a trip, the first thing you can do is scroll down, and let's say you're going to Colorado Springs. Type in Colorado. Now you can get really specific with Colorado Springs or Denver, Colorado, but sometimes there's listings that are close to but not directly in. So this will give you an overview of all the listings in Colorado, and then you're going to hit search. Now, this map, if it doesn't say, if you don't see a map, go ahead and click Show Map. Right now it says Hide Map, and this will show you all the listings that we have in both the printed directory and online. If you want to get more specific, you can choose a category over here, and then it will narrow it down even further if you're looking for just printed directory or a house. So you can either choose. So if we zoom in here, we see that we have two in Colorado Springs. I can click on them, and this one's in Colorado Springs, and this one is in Woodland Park. Any pin that has the town name plus the state or the province or the country means that, and it says printed directory only, this means that this host has chosen not to be listed online, and you must purchase a printed directory in order to gain access to that information. If you want to, you can click on this and it'll take you to the description, or you can come down here and also see the different options that we have. So I want a printed directory listing. I'm going to click on this. I can send a message, but you guys are not going to be getting a hold of the host because they do not have access to this listing. You're going to be replying to us. So if you want this host contact information, you can either click Order Printed Directory here, or you can go to the top of the page and click Printed Directory, and this will bring you to the About Printed Directory page, where you can order a printed directory, or join the membership, or become a host and host people in the printed directory. So I'm going to go back to the main page here of our Colorado listings. Let's say that this one suits my needs a little more. I can click on this one, and this one brings me to an online host. They are not necessarily listed in the printed directory. They are listed online. Here, I can read the description about them. I can see an approximate location. I can see related listings. I can see who is the host, and I can choose dates and request to book. You can see here that they have included a $100 cleaning fee, which is required. I can also send them a message. It is highly, highly recommended that if you decide to message someone or request a book, message them first and introduce yourself. You can also add more information about yourself under your settings tab, where you can add a picture, your name, and a bunch of other information. But this is so that everyone is comfortable with who they are possibly hosting, and it can avoid some uncomfortable conversations maybe later. So that is simply how to use our online platform with the map when you are traveling. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.